Today we're going to talk about strip diagrams. With strip diagrams, it's important to recognize that my total goes on the top and my parts go on the bottom. For example, when I have an equation and I want to solve for x, and I have 23 plus 32 plus 51, and all of that together would equal x, well, my top would be x because that's my total. And the bottom, one box is 23, one would be 32, and one would be 51. Because again, my pieces go on the bottom, my totals goes on the top. If we look at 22 plus 30 plus x equals 200. I don't know what that last number is. I don't know what this x is. But I do know that my total, which goes up on the top, is 200. I know that one of my three pieces is 22. Another one is 30. And my last piece is x. Right now, I don't know what that x is, but this would be my strip diagram. And if I wanted to figure out what is x, I would take my 200 and I would subtract my 22. And then I would take my 178 and I would subtract my 30. And now I know that my x equals 148. But again, if I was just putting together the strip diagram, this is what it would look like. It would have my total 200 up on top, and it would have each one of my pieces down there on the bottom. Going into a word problem, I had 7 boxes of cookies, and each of those boxes of cookies had 12 cookies in them. And now I want to know how many cookies and all do I have. So look at the strip diagram. The top right here is going to be my total, which is right now it's unknown. So that even could just be my x because it's unknown. I don't know what the total is. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I know that I have 7 boxes, and that's why I have 7 boxes. And each box has 12. And in order to solve this problem, if I want to figure out what that x is, what my total is, I would take these, my 12, and I would multiply that by 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 7 times 1 is 1. I add another 1, and my answer would be 84. And so if I wanted to, I could add 84 up here as my total. Again, one more time, the big thing with strip diagrams, you always need to remember my top is my total. It's my big number. My bottom are all the pieces that make up that top.